A hidden star within the blue shadow shall guide you.
A glowing star appears, hidden in the shadow. LUGY follows, his ears perked up. She reaches out to touch one gently. The orb reveals a vision of a glowing tree. One root pulses brighter than the rest. A glowing mark appears on the forest floor. The mark becomes a path of light. They follow it to a hidden hilltop. LUGY steps up and it begins to glow. A beam of blue light rises into the night. YULY reaches for the box, hope glowing in her eyes.